Looking for a quick, easy way to extract and share quantity information from your BIM model? Let's dive into lists in BIMcollab Zoom. As a BIMcollab Zoom user, you can define lists that keep your stakeholders up to date without the need for repetitive manual work. Say goodbye to outdated reports and hello to live model data. With lists, you can effortlessly pull accurate data from your models and share it instantly to team members in the cloud. Here's how lists can simplify your workflow. First, quick and simple setup. Select components and choose which properties from the model data you want to display, whether it's quantity information, property tables, pivot grids, or raw data dumps for dashboards. Lists deliver live data with ease. Second, easily share list result. Share lists with your team and external stakeholders with one click via BIMcollab Nexus. In Zoom, but also in WebViewer, you can highlight and color related objects in your model while reviewing the results. Third, advanced reporting with Power BI. For more in-depth reporting, connect to Power BI to build custom dashboards. Give your real-time insights into the progress and quality of your BIM models. Now, try creating a list and see the visual results in your model. Need help getting started? We've got templates waiting for you in our Help Center.